Welcome to our training session on monitoring the usage of physical and human resources. Monitoring these resources is essential to ensure they're being used efficiently, sustainably, and aligned with organizational goals. In this training video, we'll cover practical techniques to monitor both physical resources, such as equipment and materials, and human resources, focusing on workload distribution, performance, and productivity. Why is resource monitoring so crucial? Without it, organizations face increased costs, inefficiencies, and even risks of resource depletion or employee burnout. Key points to cover. Cost control. Effective monitoring helps control costs by reducing wastage and maximizing resource utilization. Productivity gains. Ensuring resources are correctly allocated helps optimize productivity. Sustainability and compliance. Proper monitoring can help maintain compliance with resource-related regulations and policies. Let's first explore monitoring physical resources. This includes tracking how equipment, materials, and technology are used within the organization. Key aspects of physical resource monitoring. Usage, tracking and allocation. Step 1. Identify key resources. Determine which physical assets are critical to your operations, such as machinery, computers, or vehicles. Step 2. Set usage metrics. Define indicators like hours of operation, maintenance intervals, or material consumption rates to track resource use. Example, for a manufacturing facility, setting usage metrics for machines can help predict maintenance needs and prevent unexpected breakdowns. Tools and techniques for tracking. Inventory management systems. Use digital tracking systems or software to monitor stock levels, resource usage, and restocking needs in real time. RFID and barcode scanning. These technologies enable quick and accurate tracking of physical assets, especially for large inventory or mobile assets. Energy consumption meters. These track energy usage for equipment, helping optimize power consumption and reduce costs. Example, an office could use barcode systems to track IT equipment, making it easy to know who is using each item and when it's due for maintenance. Evaluating resource efficiency. Regularly review usage data to identify underutilized or overused assets and adjust allocations accordingly. Tip: set up regular maintenance checks and calibrate equipment to prolong lifespan and ensure efficient operation. Now let's turn to monitoring human resources. This involves understanding and managing workforce capacity, productivity, and well-being to maintain an engaged and effective team. Key areas of human resource monitoring. Workload distribution. Step 1. Assess task allocation. Regularly review how tasks are distributed across team members to avoid overloading individuals. Step 2. Implement a scheduling system. Use tools like project management software, e.g. Asana, Monday.com, to track task assignments and deadlines. Example, if you notice certain employees consistently working overtime, this may indicate a need for workload redistribution or additional staffing. Performance monitoring. KPIs and metrics. Set clear performance indicators, e.g. completed projects, client feedback, adherence to deadlines, to measure individual and team contributions. Feedback mechanisms. Establish regular check-ins or feedback sessions to gauge progress and address potential roadblocks. Example, a sales team might have KPIs such as monthly sales targets and client satisfaction scores to monitor performance effectively. Employee well-being. Monitor hours worked. Tracking overtime and vacation usage helps ensure employees are not overworking and have a healthy work-life balance. Well-being surveys. Conduct periodic surveys to gain insights into team morale, stress levels, and general well-being. Example, implementing a weekly pulse survey can provide quick feedback on employee engagement and identify areas needing support. There are various tools available to help with resource monitoring. Choosing the right tools will depend on your specific organizational needs. Physical resource monitoring tools. Asset management software tracks physical assets and provides data on utilization and maintenance schedules. Energy usage software for tracking consumption, identifying inefficiencies, and reducing environmental impact. Human resource monitoring tools. Project management tools. Software like Trello or ClickUp can assist in workload tracking and collaboration. Employee monitoring software. Tools such as time tracking software or performance review platforms allow for more in-depth productivity analysis. Once we have data from monitoring tools, the next step is analyzing this information to make informed decisions. Data analysis for physical resources. Identify usage trends. Look for seasonal or project-based trends in resource consumption and adjust inventory or staffing accordingly. Detect inefficiencies. Spot underutilized resources and reassign or consider phasing them out to reduce costs. Data analysis for human resources. Assess workload balance. Identify patterns of overwork or underwork among team members and make adjustments to improve productivity. Evaluate performance trends. Use performance data to spot high performers who may benefit from new responsibilities or those who need additional support. Example: a marketing department may notice that project peaks coincide with a need for additional creative support, leading to improved project planning and budgeting for freelance designers during busy periods. Resource monitoring is only effective if the insights gained are used to make proactive adjustments. Steps for implementing changes. Reallocate physical resources. Adjust equipment use or move resources where they are most needed based on data findings. Reschedule or redistribute workloads. Balance task assignments to avoid overburdening specific employees, potentially boosting team morale and productivity. Increase efficiency through training. Offer training on resource management tools or efficiency techniques if needed. After monitoring inventory levels, a company may decide to implement a just-in-time inventory system to reduce storage costs and improve cash flow. In summary, let's summarize what we covered today. Effective resource monitoring involves systematically tracking both physical assets and human resources to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and support sustainable practices. Thank you for watching this video.